How you doing, everybody? This is a special edition of the Cycle Cart Workshop, all about mini bikes. Because we went to Joe's mini bike reunion today. Went over to California to La Crescenta. Took my mini bike over. The wife and Kendall, we all went over. Had a great time. I pre-registered a few days ago. So when you get there and unload, you get and put your bike in on display, you get this bag of goodies. So I'm going to show you the stuff we brought back, and then I took some video while we were there. So man, it was a lot of fun, and I met some great guys, and we talked mini bikes for a few hours. So it was perfect weather, great day. So let me show you the stuff, and then I'll show you the video. All right, be right back. Okay, one of the first things I ended up buying was one of the mini bike t-shirts. The Frankenstein bike was there. It was a cobbled together bike, drag bike, really a nice bike. And then I've got the t-shirt here, the Joe's mini bike t-shirt. Okay, so they were handing out these little paddle ball games to all the kids. So Joe saw Kendall running around and said, "Hey, come here." And so they got to play with those. This is so you can clean the screen on your laptop or your phone or your camera. Let's see, we got some mother's polish. This was a little placard on the Frankenstein bike. We got that. We got a towel, shop rag. I already got a couple of these, but you know, you never can have enough. Let's see, what else? Then we've got some CRC brake clean. I've actually used that before. That's good stuff. Then pin from Joe's mini bike podcast. He's done a dozen, 12 or 13 podcasts, and I've watched them all, and I met a few of the guys that were in the podcast. We had a nice time talking. Got a Joe's mini bike magnet. Got a bottle opener. Got a decal. Another decal. Oh, there's my raffle ticket. We won some good stuff with that. Some more paddles. Joe's mini bike decal. You know, when we were kids, we loved the decals. We'd go down to the auto parts store, and they'd give us decals. And then this is, what is this? Fuel additive. Okay. Some comp cam stickers. Let's see, there's somewhere around here, got a Roadkill magazine and a like a little backpack, so that was cool. There's my hat from last year. Let's see, what else? Oh yeah, on the raffle here, I was out actually doing some filming, and the wife was keeping track of the ticket. So we got this sweet jacket. Let me lay this thing down here. We won this. This thing is nice. Joe's mini bike reunion. It's all lined. I mean, this is a deluxe jacket. This is one of the door prizes, you could say. On the back, man, that is nice for those cool nights, cold nights. Okay, so that was all the goodies. I think that was everything. Pretty good deal. You pay 20 bucks to put your bike on display, and then they give you a bunch of stuff, and you're just, you know, there to have fun. Some guys won some trophies, and you know, you just go to have fun. So, okay, let me show you the video of the activities today. All right, all you mini bike fans, we're over here at La Crescenta, California, at Joe's mini bike reunion, the 5th annual. It's a beautiful Saturday morning, so I'm gonna do a little filming of the event, see what's going on. Okay, looks like fun. Pretty good sized crowd. So right down here is where you unload your bike and take it in for registration. There's a small parking lot over there, but it fills up quick. bit of a free-for-all getting in this place. You pull up and park and unload your bike and then roll it up to registration. Then you have to go find a place to park your vehicle. Like I say, it's tight around here. Registration's right up here. Let's check that out. There's Joe's GMC pickup, the icon of the event. There's registration. You can hear the dyno. They just started the dyno up and running their first bike on it. Over that bridge into the park is where everything's set up. Gonna get noisy. Like I say, it's gonna get noisy real quick. These are drag bikes, probably 25 horsepower or above. There's a bit of a rivalry amongst engine builders to see who can do the most horsepower. So we'll see. Last year I think the top horsepower was 27 and change, I do believe. There's the Fireball trailer. Yeah, Joe finished this Fireball trailer and then took it on a little trip, and now he's using it for his souvenir booth. That's nice. So we're set up over here in the shades, real nice. We got here about, let's see, what was it? A little after 8 this morning, and it's a little after 9, and it's definitely picking up. More bikes are coming in, and they started the dyno. And over there they have little swap meet tables. So I'll have to get over and check that out.
A 5 horsepower IC engine that was just laying around, and I had some spare parts, and we put it together, and we called it Frankenstein. Jake Moe put it together. Jake is an awesome fabricator and welder, and he's going to be here in a little while, but I did not want to go off schedule because my daughter doesn't like that. She made me put together a schedule. I'm supposed to stick to the schedule. So it's 9 o'clock, and Eddie, we're going to reveal Frankenstein here for you folks.
All right.
All right?
Yeah.
Holy.
Nice.
Check it out. Get a nice up close and personal. We got a little suicide brake action. We shortened the front end of this bicycle Springer front end. He built the gas tank out of 2 motorcycle side covers. We've got a torque converter set up. We have a special F&B pipe that was made for us by Brian and Frank. Thank you guys. If you're looking for a pipe, get down to F&B. They definitely got the pipe thing figured out. We got a Tolson carburetor. And that's it. It is going to stay just like that. It's not supposed to be shiny and pretty. There's a couple parts on it that are a little rusty, just the way we like it. But this is Frankenstein, and enjoy it. Take a look at it when Jake Moe shows up. Hopefully you have a chance to see his bikes. Actually, they put this bike to shape, so he'll be coming a little bit later on. And this is Frankenstein, guys. Enjoy it.
All right. Nice.
Very cool.
You get to see it.
Jake Moe's here, bringing in his drag bikes, special creations. There he is with Joe.
Florida tone is $500.
All right.
And there's like 50 of That's something you would want right there. That's
Alright. The entourage arrives.
You can sell it. All my AV people, thanks for coming out. Papa Smurf's out here. Got a couple podcast guests. Look at it, they're all combined under the tent. Get out, get a suntan, Papa. Yes, Scott. Really nice CT70s, Z50s. We also have a huge contingent of the Ruckuses that are coming in. I owned a Ruckus early on. So it continues to be a popular bike. So folks, we have the head guys from Honda here joining us. Thank you for the cool shirt. I look forward to wearing that. And all those helmets that you see, those are available from our local Honda dealer too, because here at Joe's Mini Bike Reunion, it's all about being safe too. So he's advertising for a low mod.
It's about 10 in the morning. Pretty good sized crowd. Couldn't ask for a better day. Really nice out.
that's fine, we'll take that. We ain't proud. Yeah, we want it. All right, we're have to go to the next one. 932269. You have a blue coupon, 932269. Hey, how many people saw Evil Ed walking around? My co-host for the podcast. The biggest celebrity in our industry, Evil Ed, walking around. Handsome, dapper guy, isn't he? What, no one wants to win any prizes? 932269. Wrong number. Okay, we'll try another one. All right, everybody, if you'd like to participate in the Cackle Fest and get your bike fired up so everybody can hear how cool your bike sounds, let's do it. All right? Get next to your bike. We'll fire them up. Give the folks a little bit of an idea what these cool bikes sound like. There we got one started. There you go, no combo. We can't ride them, but we can sure start them up. Oh, yeah. Let me hear one of those Trojans fire up.
There's Kendall on Minibike Racing. Are you having fun at the show? Yes, you are, huh? That mini bike fits you pretty good, huh? It's just the right size for you. Yeah, nice. What's nice about the Groms and the Ruckuses and the scooters is they're street legal, so they can ride them over to the event. So a lot of them are showing up now, and the same thing with the Honda 70s. A lot of them are licensed, so they can get out and ride regularly. Boy, these Groms are slick. So these are all bikes that they rode over to the event. They aren't part of the event, but they're all street legal, so they get to drive right on down. Mostly Groms. And a few Hondas, older Hondas, which are just as much fun. There's a slick Ruckus right here, highly modified Ruckus. Nice.
New online thing coming to Miller Concept. Click on that.
Okay, check that out. Hey, will you be a guest on my podcast? Awesome. Who wants to hear Dave Miller on our podcast, all right? All right. Come and check out the bike here. Hey, Dave, come on back for a second. Tell me a little bit about what you brought out. What you looks like a mini Harley.
This
This is what we call the half bagger. It's a scale model bag like the new Trig Customs with the dragster front wheel, a 420 motor. Street legal. These are going to be street legal with a plate.
Yeah, I guess if we were talking to this one guy who's got a taco, it's got a pretty good
Yeah, I was gonna get that Azusa frame, that Azusa star right there. He got one over there for 40 bucks. It's ugly. I couldn't. That's why I started. The regular one looks better.
Do something. Every year I have the opportunity to recognize somebody who's really made an impact beyond just like building a cool bike, right? A guy who has like put his time, his effort, his energy, he shared his experience, his knowledge, but he don't say 2 words, this guy. You can't get him to say more than that. But now it's on. I want you to, first of all, thank you for everything you've done, Bill. Not only are you a mini bike enthusiast supreme, you're also an expert car builder. And I know you do a lot of these projects with your dad, so you're an excellent son. And it's my pleasure to recognize you and award you the 2016 Hall of Fame Award. Congratulations.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Appreciate it.
What's it about mini bikes, outside of all these things, Taco Bill, that just keep you crazy? What is it about the mini bikes?
It's something that you got when you were a kid.
Yep.
And it's just so much fun riding it, feeling the wind in your hair and driving. It's a blast.
That's right.
You just never grow out of it.
The name Taco Bill is not just a nickname that's given to you because you own a taco. You own every taco, correct?
Yes, all models every year. 34 of them.
How about that? You guys think you're collecting? Check that out. Now, Ed, with a collection that big, is there an opportunity for anybody to ever see these bikes outside of like your Facebook posts?
Not really.
Well, what if we did a podcast live from your place?
You can do that.
So how about that then? We'll get Evil Ed, we'll get a couple of the other guys, and we'll give you guys a first-hand look of every taco in his collection. Now, in addition to the tacos, you've got a large collection of engines as well, right?
You have Power Products and West Bend Motors.
How many of those do you have?
I don't remember. I lost count.
So how about that? He's got so many of them you can't even remember. Just a true mini bike enthusiast.
That's right.
I have a special plaque for you as well as a handshake to tell you that I really appreciate all your efforts. One more time, guys. Taco Bill, 2016
All right.
Joe's
Good
Mini
job.
Bike Reunion Hall of Fame inductee.
Good job.
All right.
Evil Ed and Taco Bell. All right.
This is Mario. Mario, you're up here. Great. Larry's here. Can we bring up Mark Lasky?
That's great.
With his 62 Flexo Big Bear. Come on up.
Sorry.
Mark Lasky.
You want to grab this for me and I can just
All right.
stand up there?
with the red Stellar. Frank, are you out there?
It's all about the Dodgers this year.
Oh, that is Dave Miller's bike. It's just parked there. Ed, could you move Dave Miller's bike back just a little bit, please? Dave, if you're here, can we move your bike back just a tad, please? And Ed, I have a question on this name here, if I could, please. Eddie? Yeah, what's this gentleman's name right here? I've got Frank from Red Stellar. Was that? What's this? What's this?
Yeah, I got an offer list, but I got a third place.
Frank with the Red Stellar, are you with us? I think that will complete our top 10.
I'm bringing it, Joe.
Oh, you are? Thank you, can you? All right. So it turns out that we do have access to that cool little taco. His son had to go, Brian Rosen, but his dad's going to go get the bike. Thanks, Kevin. Okay, he's going to go get it right now. Sorry. All right. So, who's here? All right, so now they're all going to be here. We got one more. That's the taco. What do you do? All right. Okay, Chris, are you here? Hayden's here. Mario's here. Is Larry here? Is Mark here? Mark Lasky with the 62 Flexo Big Bear. Mark's here. Is Frank here? Yep, he's coming up. Kevin here. Ryan's coming. All right, I'd like to ask Mark with the Flexo. Rudy with the Indian. And Chris with the CT70 to roll your bike up just 1 foot. These are your top 3 bikes. All right, this is where all the judging and all the review and all the addition, it's narrowed down to these 3 bikes. I'm going to give you a second to take some photos. If you want to get a little close to do that. And here's how this is going to work.
I found that bike here a year ago, right over there. I bought the frame, and I've been working on it not all year, but that's how it came out.
What kind of comments did you give when folks were looking at the bike today?
Everybody likes it.
What's it about the bike? Is it the engine? Is it just the fact that it's so small?
Well, the engine's very rare. They only made that engine for 2 months.
Talk a little bit about that if you could.
It's a Max 70, and from what I know about it, I'm not that versed on it. 2 carburetors, I don't know how many horsepower they made them for 2 months in 1962, around when that bike was made.
I could tell when it first walked in, it had a little bit of a special look to it. Looks like everybody else felt the same way. Congratulations. How about that, Flexi, folks? All right. Yeah. All right. Nice job on that bike. Thank you. Rudy, come on over, bud. You grew the mustache quick for us, huh? What's happening, Rudy?
How you doing, Dave?
Have you been to the show before?
First time on the show.
Where you from? One more time on Rudy's bike. Our 3rd place winner, Chris in his CT70. Our 2nd place winner, Rudy in his Indian. And your Brad Elsie, 2016 Joe's Minibike Reunion winner, his 62 Flexo Big Bear, Mark Lasky, everybody.
Okay, the awards have been given out. It's the end of another event. It was a great time. I really enjoyed it. We'll be back next year. They're still over there running the dyno. And the swap meet tents went over big too. All right. Thank you, Joe. It was a great time.